Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. I have the new Unearthly Cosmetics Dreamer collection in my stash today. We're going to be trying out all of these goodies. It includes an eyeshadow palette, a highlighter palette, and 4 bullet lipsticks. Unfortunately, this collection is currently sold out. It did retail for $130. I would imagine maybe one restock of this. I know the palette, the eyeshadow palette that you're going to see here in just a second is available for pre-order. So head on over there. My affiliate code Steff saves you 10% off over on the Unearthly Cosmetics website. And I am just really excited for this video and to try out all these goodies. Let's take a look first at the eyeshadow palette. Let's open this beauty up. This is going to be a 12 pan palette full of beautiful matte shimmers, duo specialty shadows, you name it. I think this could definitely be a really nice Valentine's Day palette. What do you guys think? I cannot wait. I will be creating 2 looks in today's video. Now let me show you a close-up look of the highlighter palette. This is going to feature 3 different shifty highlighters, which we'll be applying together. And of course, we are getting 4 bullet lipsticks, which I'll be changing into throughout the duration of today's video. The shade that I am currently wearing is the shade Vision, and that's what it looks like. I also want to point out that these bullet lipsticks do have that magnetic closure to give it that luxe packaging feel. Also on my cheeks are from 2 years ago from the Sleepover collection. This is one of their blushes, which might still be in stock. What shade is this one? This one is in the shade Cherub. Yeah, Cherub. So I thought it would pair perfectly with this palette, and we'll just dive into this collection. We'll see if it is worth your time and, more importantly, your money. If it is your first time here on my channel, I just want to say hello and welcome to all of you. My name is Steff, and I love trying out new makeup. I am primarily a new makeup review channel, but I do multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes, makeup ranking videos, all that good stuff. If that sounds great to you, I want to invite you to become part of our makeup family. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button and hit the bell next to it. That way you can be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you're a fan of Unearthly Cosmetics, maybe you yourself have bought the Dreamer collection. I bought it. I actually forgot that I have bought it, but nevertheless, it arrived and I couldn't be more excited. But maybe you picked it up, you want to get some inspo. Please give this video a big thumbs up before you go. As usual, I'll have all the makeup that I'm wearing, talking about, linked and listed in the description box. Some of those things might be affiliate links. If you do end up shopping, I thank you so much for helping me support this channel. Let's get started, guys. If y'all want to see the looks I'm about to create using the new Dreamer collection from Unearthly Cosmetics, keep on watching. Okay, so I like that we're getting a pinky toned, a pale gold, and maybe a slight bronzy tone. I'm going to start with Days, and I'm taking this on my AOA F19 brush, and we'll apply over here. Unearthly makes some pretty awesome highlighters, just awesome makeup in general. If you've never tried them, maybe 2024 will be your opportunity to do so. That is very smooth and looks great with that Cherub blush. Oh yeah, this might be my favorite shade in the palette. Okay, I'm going to flip the brush over to the other side. Now let's do Wish. And I use the side of the brush. I don't use like the tip of the brush. Oh boy, look at that. Oh, I think this is a little more intense than the first one was. We love a good highlight, don't we, guys? Love it. Okay. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit more blush just to blend them in together. All right, now for the final highlighter, which is the one in the middle, this one is called Solstice. Get this, I already cleaned off the brush, and I'll do a little bit right here. Don't know that you'll be able to see the full effect of it, but we can do a little bit right there. Cupid's bow. Probably should have done that before I put the lipstick. A little bit right there on the chin. I already put bronzer on my nose. We can do a little bit right there, and a little bit up here. Okay, guys, I like it. It's a smooth highlighter, very complimentary. I think it looks great with the blush. Now let's dive on into the eyeshadow palette and create the first of two looks. Now I've already primed my eyelids with the Alter Ego eyeshadow primer. Where do we want to start? I'm looking at this blue and gray over here, and then we have the dark brown. I feel like I want to do something with the gray, clouded. I think I'm going to put clouded in the crease and then go into engulf over here for the outer corner. Let's see what that's going to do. And I'm taking the shade Clouded on a BK 212. Okay, so that's a nice gray shade with a slight purple undertone to it. I like it. I think it definitely works. Now on a Sigma E45, I'm taking the shade Engulf, and we'll use that to deepen up the outer corner and also run it through the crease. All right, now I'm gonna go in with, we can kind of keep it a little monochromatic and just go with Drift. This looks really pretty, a really pretty like purple silver shimmer shadow. And then we can probably do Dream State for the inner corner. So just stay like with this little quadrant. I mean, it makes it easy if you're kind of unsure which shades to use with this palette or how to pair them together. Let me get my Old Faithful Morphe M124. I'm going to pick up the shadow, and then I'm just going to spray it with a little MAC Fix Plus. Start applying here to the lid. Ooh, that is beautiful. Nice smoky eye. Now I'm getting ready to go to work, so I'm going to let you decide in the comments which look out of the two, once you see them both, which one you think I'm gonna head to work in. I gotta pick one. Oh, I love that. That is so pretty. Now with my finger, I'm gonna pick up a little bit of Dream State. I'm gonna put it right here in the center. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Now I'm gonna go in with Slumber for the lower lash line. And I'm using a Rougher 26. Now in a Rougher 03, a damp Rougher 03, I'm going back in with the shade Dream State that I added to the center of the lid. All right, guys, I'm gonna pop off camera to take care of the finishing touches, and I will be right back to show you this completed look number one. All right, guys, so here is the completed look. I changed lippies. I went in with this one, which is the shade Z. And then I did use an Unearthly Cosmetics lip liner. I love these wooden lip liners. They're so good. This one is in the shade Vamp. And for the eye look, to complete it, Rare Beauty liquid eyeliner on the top lash line, and in the lower waterline, a NYX Epic Wear liner in the shade Saw a Ghost Pepper. I'm also wearing the new lashes I picked up from Kiss. These are the new natural lashes. I love them. They are really like natural looking. They just add a little bit of fullness, a little bit of length, a little bit of fluff to the lash. And the mascara I'm using in today's video is from L'Oreal, and it is their Panorama mascara. Yeah. Let's move over to the left eye, which I love the way this one turned out, but let's move over to the left eye and we'll start working on the second look. All right, so for look number two, I really want to play with the shade Fantasy. And then we have a really pale pink here. I like that we're getting a brown. I don't know that I'll use the brown in today's look. I'm kind of leaning more towards like these shades right here, but Tranquil looks really good too. I'm going to start with Soothe and then work into Muse and probably then work into Slumber. And I'm taking the shade Soothe on a Game Beauty E01. Now on a Sigma E25, I'm going in with the shade Muse. Now on a Rephr 13, I'm taking the shade Slumber, and I'm going to focus that on the outer corner and a little into the crease. Now, you know what? I think I can find a place for the dark brown right here. I think I'm going to use this one, Night Owl, for the lower lash line. Taking Night Owl on a Rephr 26. Yeah, that ties in perfectly. So next, I really want to use the shade Fantasy. So I think I'm actually going to use Imaginary and Fantasy on the lid and keep Tranquil for the inner corner. So I'm placing Fantasy here towards the outer portion of the lid. And I'm using a damp Morphe M709. Same brush. Now I'm going in with the shade Imaginary. I just flipped it over and sprayed it. Now this is a Valentine's Day look. That is really, really pretty. Okay, let's do something for the lower lash line. I'm going to take my Rephr 03 and we're going to go in with the shade Tranquil. That means there's just one shade I wasn't able to use in the palette, and it's a gold shimmer called Float. Ooh, that's pretty. All right, guys, I am going to change lippies, add the finishing touches to this look, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so here is the completed look number 2. Same everything with the exception of the lower waterline. Another pink or another Epic Wear eyeliner in the shade Pink Spirit. What else? Oh, the lippy. I changed lippies. This one is in the shade Dreamer. Really pretty. I'm loving the lipstick. It seems like a very comfortable formula. Let me go ahead and wrap up today's video. I'll share with you guys my final thoughts. I got to use everything in the collection with the exception of one eyeshadow shade. But yeah, guys, let me share with you my thoughts. Okay, guys, now I've officially used all the shades because I had to change into the final lippy. This one is in the shade Cloudland. I love all of the lipsticks. I think that all of the shades they included are very complementary to this palette. They're all going to be deeper shades, which I don't have a problem with. And I think they're all nice neutral shades. You have some like kind of berry tones, pinky tones, but you also have like cool brown tones in there. I just think I think they're nice, and I like the packaging. I think it feels like a very comfortable formula. As far as the eyeshadow palette goes, very cute packaging as per usual with Unearthly Cosmetics. You do get a mirror, and then here you go with the 12 shadows. This is the only one Float down here that I wasn't able to use, but I managed to use all of the other shades, all 11 shades within these two looks. I didn't encounter any issues. I thought everything performed really well. Everything was easy to blend, and I got barely any fallout. So I'm going to give this palette, the lippies, so far 2 thumbs up. The last thing that I have to share with you, which I'm going to give 2 thumbs up to this one as well, is the Dreamer highlighter palette. This is a trio. You also get a mirror up here. I think this is my favorite shade. I just have a thing for like a pink highlighter. I think that looks very pretty. But this is the shade Days. This is a little deeper toned. This one is Solace, and then this one over here is in the shade Wish. Got to use all 3, loved them. Smooth highlighters. You're not going to really see like any glitter particles or anything like that. I thought that they were really nice. I think Unearthly Cosmetics did a fabulous job with this Dreamer collection. Again, the PR box, not the PR box, but the entire collection is sold out. It retails for $130. I would imagine there's one restock coming at least, maybe more, who knows, but the eyeshadow palette is available on pre-order right now. And again, my affiliate code Steff saves you 10% off over on the Unearthly Cosmetics website. Let me know what you thought of the 2 looks. Which one do you think I'm going to wear to work today? Are you going to be picking up anything? Are you going to be picking up the palette? Maybe you did already. Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night, wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'm going to see you all very soon. Bye.